The taste of seafood fried rice is savory and sweet. The dish originates from Indonesia. The ingredients to make seafood fried rice are
White rice, instant fruit ball, instant butter, vegetable oil, garlic, red onion and chili, salt, ground pepper, sweet soy sauce, oyster sauce, optionally,
and unit, frying pan, spatula, cutting board, knife, spoon, and plate.
We will tell you how to make seafood fried rice.
First, heat the oil. Add the butter. Red onion, garlic, and chili.
Secondly, egg the eggs. Cook until done.
Start at the seafood pieces.
For 8 white rice. Fifth, add the seasoning.
Super shy, but wait a minute while I make it mine. 알리는 지금도 you're on my mind all the time. I wanna tell you, but I'm super shy. I'm super shy, but wait a minute while I make it mine. 알리는 지금도 you're on my mind all the time. I wanna tell you, but I'm super shy. 나 원래 알고 살고 그런 내가 있는지 알아야 돼.
Super shy, but wait a minute, spring onion.
Then correct the taste.
Lastly, pour the fried rice into a plate.
Serve.
we will tell you how to make seafood.
Dia nggak usah. Udah cukup ganti.
That's all from us.